What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to part 2 of building the drawer setup for the Toyota Sequoia. Now, on the previous video, I did tell you guys that I went to Home Depot, and hopefully this will be the last time I'm going to Home Depot, because I think I've been there like 5 times already and they already know my name. But all of the last parts of the drawer setup is in the back of the Sequoia. But before we continue on building the drawer setup, let me show you guys what I have done and give you guys a little update. So let's go do that right now. So what I have done is put a little stopper over here. So whenever, ouch. So whenever I slide my table, it stops at a certain area, but at the same time, it's going to sag. So what I'm going to do later is I'm going to be putting a portable or foldable feet whenever I'm done with building the drawer system here. So that will be my next step. And I've also started placing the backing of the larger side, I started installing the back side of my drawer setup, and as of right now it looks really good. I don't know if I want to add something into this yet, other than the covers whenever I'm done. So yeah, so what we're gonna do today is build the drawer setup and then put the top on. Hopefully, once I get done, hopefully it'll be almost done and putting the top on. So with that being said, we're gonna do more time lapse, and yeah, let's do it. Alright, so after a lot of time lapsing, I finally finished the drawer in with the slider, and I added a little bit of trim too, so take a look. So this would be my pull-out table. It looks really good right now. And then this is my drawer, my fold-out drawer. So what I still have to do is I have to put a support for the top. So I gotta put a support right here and over here, because if I pull it out at a further distance, this will sag down. I don't know, hold on, as of right now, that's the limit. If I go a little bit further, there you go, there's the sagging. So I gotta fix that now. And also, I'm not using no sliders, I'm just using wood, because sliders, like a 40-foot slider from Amazon, it's like almost 150 bucks. So I just decided to just run with wood and, you know, just a little bit of friction. My camera's almost about to die. It's like at 5%. I'm gonna continue doing this and adding the support for my drawer, and then putting the trim, and then after that we'll be focusing on the top layer right here. And then after that, we can put it in the car. So I'll catch you guys back in a bit later. everything is connected now. My pull-out table is beautiful. So the only problem that I'm having is this, which is my storage drawer, whatever you guys call it. Do you see how easy this thing is to pull in and out? Which is really good. However, this is like not as bad with all that 1x4, 1x2, 2x4. I literally mixed out everything just to slide perfectly with the drawer setup. It looks really good. I'm happy, but there's one flaw with this, is if I open it straight out, it's a struggle. But if I go left just a twig, not a twig, but if I tweak just a little bit to the left and pull it, now my storage system is perfect. I can pull it all the way out. So I got plenty of room over here. As you can tell, there's plenty of room. So I'm happy. That's good. And then still empty, but I did kind of do some mock-up on you know, what's that called? I'm sorry. So I did a mock-up of this being closed off, like with the hinge system, which is I'm about to do next, and it looks good. I think I should put a light up there, so at night whenever I need something, I can just pull it out and then the light will turn on. So I'm happy. Oh god. So I'm happy to how it turns out. I just gotta be working on this top section right here, and then I should be golden. So we're gonna get that started right now. Okay, so we're on the final stretch. I'm so happy. The extra storage has been put on. I do got some bad news. I don't know if you guys can see while I was doing my time lapse, is I didn't have enough boards, so I did do some bad cutting. I mean, not really bad cutting, but like I was just short of boards. And this one that I have over here was short crosswise, and I did the same thing here, but this time I was short lengthwise, but this is good now. Really happy how this is turning out. What I'm going to be doing now is installing the hinge system, or I might be doing something else different about that. So I am very happy on the storage for the drawer setup. What's left to be done is the hinge system, or a pull-out system. because I'm debating either if I want to use hinges or just like drilling holes on boards and just like easy to be pulled out instead of using a hinge system where it's stationary. So I'm still thinking about that. I'll get back to you guys in a bit on that, but for now I'm happy. I'm so happy right now, you don't understand. All right, I gotta pack up because I got stuff to do at the house tonight, but we're almost done on the final stretch. I'm just so happy that it's almost done. Oh, and also, you know how I was struggling to open up my drawer where I told you guys I have to shimmy it to the left and then pull it? Well, thanks to my support for the hinge system that I'm building with the support, it actually made my board straighter and not bow as much. So I'm just happy that I can pull with ease now. It's pretty neat. I'm very happy. Yes, I do got some big old teeth gaps. Looks like this one's shorter and then this one is big. Yes, I know there is some gaps there. Don't hate on me, but I'm very happy that I am almost in the final stretch. So, close, please. Yay. Okay, now that the errands are done, let's go ahead and finish this board so we can put it in the Sequoia. So, let's go. So what do you guys think of the new drawer setup? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Let me know in the comments section below. First and foremost, I am very proud of myself on building the drawer setup for the Toyota Sequoia, and it fits perfectly to the back of the truck or SUV, whatever you guys call it, and it sits, I don't know if you guys can tell, it fits perfectly, and yeah, it just fits perfectly in the back with the second row almost the same height with it. Whenever I put a bed, it's still going to be like maybe a couple of inches high, but when I lay on it, it'll be fine with me. So I did have some bad news. The original length of the drawer setup was 53 inches long. However, we did have to cut it like maybe 8 to 10 inches shorter because I forgot to compensate the height of the back of the seat. So we did have to cut it like maybe 10 inches or 8 to 10 inches shorter, but it fits perfectly fine. And my Pelican case fits perfectly in the back of the drawer setup, plus my smaller Pelican case where my gimbal is. So the drawer setup is a little janky right now. I'm going to organize that later on. And then my table, I didn't put the legs in yet, which I will be putting it soon. And then, oh, come on. So yeah, I did drill a hole right here. I did drill a hole, but it was too small, so I gotta get like a step up, or probably just drill it wider. So I got extra storage at the top of the drawer setup, and I'm very happy with this setup. So yeah, I'm happy. Now I can go overland or camp, find a camp somewhere. So this will be my first time camping in the back of the Toyota Sequoia, hopefully soon with some friends. But let me know what you guys think. Comment down below what you think of the new, where is it, the drawer setup. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will continue on for the part 3 of the Mini Cooper. Give you guys a little hint, it's on jack stands right now. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Later.